Today we're previewing the Minecraft Party series, Make Minecraft Food, for anyone who wants to throw a Minecraft birthday party. So Make Minecraft Food shares all different foods you can make that are Minecraft inspired. Cool cake, edible soil, creeper pizza, cupcake sword, cake pops, inventory, mushrooms, blocks, TNT bundles, lava soda, and there's extra tips at the back like chicken drumsticks, or try cubes of cheese, fruit, or bread, or jello cubes. What's your favorite? Mine is probably the cupcake sword, fast and easy way to decorate your Minecraft birthday party on your own. Go to my playlist for the other books in this series, Minecraft costumes, decorations, and games. And like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories, and visit laurenmartinbooks.com for more free learning activities and free printables you can use today. Thank you for reading with me.